Namaskar friends, this is Anu Singh and you are watching Living Economics. I am here again to explain producer surplus as I have already promised. If you want to see and understand what is consumer surplus, go back and check my previous video. Okay, so what is producer surplus? Producer surplus is the difference between the price of the good in the market and the marginal cost of production. What does that mean? As per this book, Microeconomics by Pindyck and Rubenfeld, consumer surplus is sum over all units produced by a firm of differences between the market prices of a good and the marginal cost of production. That means a seller in the market at least expects a minimum price for his or her product, and that minimum price is nothing but the marginal cost. But the price in the market is different from marginal cost, and if the price in the market is higher than the marginal cost, there is a surplus generated which is called as producer surplus. Let's say that I am a seller of this duster and this is the 100th unit I have produced, and the marginal cost of this 100th unit is 50 rupees. Now my minimum expectation from the market is that if I sell this duster, I should minimum get 50 rupees. If I'm not getting minimum 50 rupees from the market, I'm not into the supply, I'm not the seller, because I am getting losses, I'm facing losses. So minimum expectation for me is at least I should get 50 rupees, because marginal cost of production for this last unit, which is 100th unit, is 50 rupees. If I get more than 50 rupees, I will generate surplus. If I'm getting less than 50 rupees, I'm not in the market because I'm not willing to sell at this price. So let's say the equilibrium price in the market for this duster is 80 rupees. My minimum expectation is 50 rupees. So the difference between the market price, which is 80 rupees, and the marginal cost of production of this duster is 50 rupees. So the difference is 80 minus 50, 30 rupees. Therefore, I'll keep on adding dusters in the market till the time marginal cost of the last duster produced becomes 80 rupees. After this, I'm not selling because equilibrium price is 80 rupees and marginal cost generally has a tendency to increase. Therefore, the next duster which I'm producing will be more than 80 rupees. I'll be facing losses. So I'll keep on producing and supplying in the market till the time marginal cost is 80 rupees and the equilibrium price is 80 rupees, and I'll stop there where the marginal cost goes above the equilibrium price. Now when I add all these differences between the market price and the marginal cost of the last unit produced, I'll get the total producer surplus. Producer surplus also is very important concept in understanding the total surplus. The antitrust laws across the globe make sure that they reduce the price of the product to maximize consumer surplus, but they also keep in mind that the price should be at least equal to marginal cost. If it goes below marginal cost, producer surplus will be reduced. Now this is it for the day, and I just have a query in my mind, and I'm sure you will also have that query if you are inquisitive about knowing more economics. If this is producer surplus, then what is profit, and what is the difference between producer surplus and profit? So you have to see and look for my new videos to find out what is the difference between producer surplus and profit. Till then, take care, bye.